Hi YouTube, it's boreazx, and I got my Zippo, and I'm unboxing it in front of you with, of course, the knife that I started my channel with. Now, I ordered this from Amazon, and I'm getting a few more packages. I said it might be tomorrow or a few days after, but I think this is the one. And I'm almost done opening it. Need to get into that box after I... God, this is hard. There we go. And it looks like it. Oh. Well, I got, instead of a Zippo, I got two Z Plus Zippo. It's like a Zippo lighter. The only difference is it's the insert. It's a butane lighter, torch lighter. So, let me go grab a Zippo real fast from downstairs. There's nothing else in the box. And I'll show you what it is. And I'm back. Now, the difference between the Z Plus and the normal Zippo insert is the Z Plus works on butane. And if you already own a Zippo, or know about a Zippo, Zippo works on lighter fluid. And the difference between lighter fluid and butane is pressurized, while lighter fluid is just, well, lighter fluid. So, this is the normal insert, Zippos, and this is the Z Plus insert. It almost has the same click. This one's a little deeper. I'm going to fill this one with gas so you can see what it's like. And it makes a torch-style flame. Well, it's nice. It doesn't feel like a Zippo. It's not as comfortable. I mean, no, it's not as comfortable. The button isn't where the flint is on a normal Zippo insert. And let's see what it says. It says Z Plus on the inside. Has nothing to verify date that it was made in. But 2010, since we're in 2010. But still, there's no date verification. And there's nothing to show if you overfilled it or not, which bothers me in case I overfilled it. But it's still, you know, Z Plus. It's an okay lighter. I mean, let's find out how far it burns from something to burn. I'll just go with the Paper Ninja Star. Look a little closer. Okay, it burns from about, I think, less than an inch. Not as good as the Zippo Blue. Reviews I heard is the Zippo Blue can burn up to 4 inches away from the object. And let's see what else is on this warning. Danger. Let's see what it says on the back. Remove lighter, insert from case, hold lighter upside down position, put nozzle tip on valve located on the bottom of lighter, press down twice for 4 to 5 seconds. Butane spray may occur when tank is full. Warm the lighter in your hand for at least 30 seconds. Wait an additional 2 minutes before attempting to ignite the lighter. Allow excess butane gas to dissipate. The butane gas to reach room temperature and altitude change will affect performance, will require flame adjustment. To increase the flame height, rotate adjusting the bottom dial, bottom of lighter counterclockwise. I saw the bottom dial, I'll look at that again. Counterclockwise, it's already almost all the way there. So I'm moving it all the way there because it had a very small flame. And there's not much of a difference right now. Maybe I should warm it up, but I think it's already warm. But I guess it's a nice product. It gives an okay flame, but I'd still be bothered of replacing my Zippo insert with this. Even though it's nice, and it's kind of uncomfortable, the button's weird, it fits tightly in mine. Most people said that it didn't fit, but it fits tightly in mine nicely. It won't drop out, and it works good with the hinge. I mean, it's not a Zippo lighter, but I like it. I mean, it's kind of good. Well, that's 7 minutes, and I can't take any more time off this video, so